I'm Brandi Ford. I'm manager of contracts operations at Automation Anywhere. My manager told me to always prepare like tomorrow we're going to have 2 times as much business as we did the day before. 2 months after I started at Automation Anywhere, exactly what my manager told me would happen happened. We had almost 10 times the amount of business actually. We had ramped up that quickly. And I was able to still sleep at night without having a global team because Connie was running 24/7 and doing everything accurately. So what I did is I worked with our bot team and our in-house bot team, and we got a bot put in place called Connie Bot, Connie the contracts bot. And what she does is closes our tickets so that we don't have to manually do that. And she also helps to archive documents and get documents sent to the people downstream that need them. So we're talking about licenses being delivered faster and human error being erased. That allowed me more time to put out actual fires. People reaching out, needing, actual help one-on-one. And I didn't have to stay buried in data and in our system. I could actually talk to people and help people through whatever problems that they were having with their contracts. I've had a lot more time to stay in contact with people. I have a lot of family that is across the country, and time differences meant that I usually never get to speak to them. I'm able to speak to them now. Have calls with my niece. I have a personality and I have, things to offer other than typing. And I'm able to have dinner with my husband. I'm able to watch movies on the weekends and not worry about, being pinged because something is going wrong. Automations in general have just smoothed everything out in our processes.